Radhe Radhe everyone, today we are going to make my special egg patori. First we take 3 eggs and 3 potatoes and boil them. Then we grind green chili, garlic, ginger and onion into a paste. Now we add spices little by little. Salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and red chili powder. Mix everything well and mash it nicely. Meanwhile, heat some oil in a pan and fry a little onion for flavor. Then add the mixture, cover it and cook it slowly. When one side becomes slightly reddish, flip it and cook the other side too. And yes, our egg patori is ready.